The industrial world is undergoing a revolution. Today's products are getting smarter and more personalized. Companies quickly adjust their production according to all factors in the market. The Pantheon ERP system is your tool to achieve your goals. Seize control, calculate profitability, deadlines and capacities of your resources. Have the product manufactured and delivered on time. Mastering technological processes is crucial for quality product production. In Pantheon, you can easily and flexibly adjust all types of pieces. Rapid adjustment of production allows us Pantheon insight into production in real time. With Pantheon planning and scheduling, we achieve timely production and delivery of our products according to demand. Micro-optimization by assigning tasks to specific people and machines. Thanks to the customized system, workers will be able to report their work in real time with just a glove. The Pantheon system ensures easy integration and adaptation to your information system with the help of PANTHEON Web Services. The boundaries between the physical and digital worlds are blurring. Comprehensive services are no longer just an option, but they are mandatory. Turn data into profit.